Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's mix 1 cup of pancake. Mix with 3/4 cup of water in a bowl. The key here is to stir until you get a completely smooth batter. You'll know it's perfect when there are no lumps and the consistency is similar to thick cream. If you see any dry spots, keep mixing. Now we need to preheat our air fryer to 350 degree F, 175 degrees C, for 5 minutes. This step is crucial because starting with the right temperature ensures even cooking. While it's preheating, you can give your batter one final gentle stir to make sure everything's well combined. By the way, since many of you ask about this air fryer that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Next comes an important step. Spray your air fryer basket with cooking spray. Make sure to coat it evenly, getting into all the corners. This prevents our pancake from sticking, which is especially important since we're not using a traditional pan. A light, even coating is all you need. Don't overdo it. Time to pour the batter into the basket. The trick here is to spread it evenly. You can gently tilt the basket to help the batter spread, or use the back of a spoon to guide it. You want an even layer that's not too thick or too thin. About 1/4 inch is perfect. Let's cook these pancakes at 350 degree F, 175 degrees C for 8-10 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the top is set, and the color is a beautiful golden brown. A common mistake is opening the air fryer too early. Resist the urge to peek before 8 minutes. Finally, carefully remove your pancakes from the air fryer. They'll be hot. Let them cool for about 1-2 minutes before serving. You'll notice they're perfectly fluffy with a slightly crispy edge. That's the magic of air fryer pancakes. They should be golden brown on both sides and spring back slightly when you gently press the center. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.